In this video, I am going to show you how you can export best quality Full HD videos for YouTube in Davinci Resolve 18. Here is the Davinci Resolve 18. Here you can see that on my timeline I have already edited the project. Once you are done with the editing, click on Deliver tab. And you will have a lot of presets over here by default. If you want, you can directly select YouTube preset. But I always prefer custom preset. Click on custom preset. Give the name for your project. And select the location where you want to save this video. And after that, under video tab, you have format. When you click on that, there are a lot of formats to choose from. But I always prefer either MP4 or QuickTime. For my 4K videos, I always set to QuickTime. If you want, you can set to MP4 also. And coming to the codec, you have two options, H.264, H.265. H.265 is the latest codec. I always select H.265. Leave the encoder to auto. And coming to the resolution, select 1920 into 1080. And coming to the frame rate, here you can see that I have recorded this video in 24 frames. If you have recorded the video in 30 frames, select 30. And after that, here is the important step. Under quality, by default, it will be set to automatic. Instead, select restrict to. Generally, for Full HD videos, I always multiply the frame rate into 1000. So I always enter that number. If you want more quality, simply increase the number. If you are exporting a video in 30 frames per second, enter 30,000. If you want more quality, increase this number, set to 40 or 50. And after that, don't change anything. Simply click on add to render queue. Click on render one. So that's it guys. In this way, you can render best quality videos for YouTube in Davinci Resolve 18. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.